Hey guys, Christian over at F-250 Car Stereo. Today we're in a 2016 Ford F-250. We're going to show you how to use the factory auxiliary and USB location when installing an aftermarket radio. Alright guys, first step in using this is removing this. So you're going to grab a panel tool. This is a panel tool set we sell as a PPT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a bone tool, a couple of poppers, a scraper, and a pry tool. For this one, you only need the PPT one. So you're going to just go in here, and then, so what this does is that this is made of a firm but soft material, so it doesn't scratch your dashboard. So you're going to go in there, and you're going to go in there. All right. So now that you have that out, you have to unplug it. Right here, this is the connector. All right, and that's a USB, and there's an open slot in there. And then over here we have the auxiliary. I mean, if you're pretty handy, honestly, you can splice into these wires, but our way is a lot easier. All right, so now that we have that out, this is an F-250 KFA FD1. So it's a Keep Factory AUX FD1. So it's a 3D printed piece with a female 3.5 extension built in. Okay. So what you're going to do is come into here. Oh, first of all, this piece that's in here, you have to remove that too. I forgot. I think it's a little bright over here. That's a little better. All right. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull out this little thing. All right, and once you get that one out, it's a little bit of a pain because you kind of have to do both at the same time. And then just unplug, okay? So ours, this piece is made, as you can see, it has 1 and 1 and 3. It's almost like a shark. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to see the slot over here. So the one in the middle, follow that. That's just going to push right in. And snaps right into place, okay? Nice and snug. On our final production piece, this little wiggle right here, we're gonna make this smaller. But that's gonna be taken care of. But that's how it looks like from the front. Okay. Now on the USB, so there's a bunch of parts out on the market that keep the factory USB. The problem with them is that they're all extensions, and they plug in at the sync box. The problem with that is that if you have a radio that has Android Auto or CarPlay, the wires on all these adapters aren't good enough to transfer, and you have messed up. Data transfer isn't enough. So what we do is we made ours with a USB 3.0, a 6-foot cable. We may actually make them 3-foot links for a car, for this car, because in this car 6 foot is way too much. All right, so another 3D printed piece. We modify a USB 3.0, okay, and then when you look at it, this will go right into this hole. Okay, look, right like that. Here it snaps right in, it's not going nowhere. And there you go. Now you have a USB 3.0 and an auxiliary that you can use with an aftermarket radio. Or let's say you just use Bluetooth and you want to use this as a rapid charger. A lot of people just do Bluetooth, and then they'll hook this up to one of those like $20 chargers off Amazon that do super fast. You can do that as well. But yeah, that's how to reuse the factory USB and auxiliary in a Ford F-250. If you guys have any other Fords that you want to try out, let us know. If it doesn't, you can try it. If it doesn't work, you can mail it back to us. And if you want to mail us back the piece that's in your car, you can do that, and then we'll make one for you. And if you're the car that we make it for, we're not going to charge you for it. Okay? So my name is Christian. If you have any questions, F-250carstereo.com. We sell, we install, we ship worldwide. If you're a shop, we also do wholesale accounts. And like I said, my name is Christian, F-250 Car Stereo. Thanks for watching.